The truth is, a lot of us have way more products than we actually need, and we never get to them before they expire.
Watch this video to learn how to customize your own capsule beauty kit. I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Amanda.
And we are the Green Beauty Collective, natural makeup artists, skin specialists,
and holistic nutritionist.
We are here to educate you on sustainable and natural beauty.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified for every time we release a video on Tuesday.
Think about your makeup collection for a minute. How many of those products do you use every single day, and how many of them actually just sit around and don't get used at all?
We created this video for those who want to minimalize and streamline their makeup collections, create less waste, and save some money on your makeup routine.
We've made it easier for hundreds of women to create minimalist makeup kits, and now it's your turn.
Step 1, put a timeline on your products. If you haven't touched something in, say, a few months, then put it in a pile to donate, or you can put it in a pile to swap with friends, or just get rid of it.
This timeline can be totally customizable to you, so it can be a few months, a few years, whatever you need to do to make sure that your makeup isn't lying around and expiring or just getting unused, because you may have friends or family that could be putting that makeup to use. So step number 2 is determining a product that can be used for special occasions. So this could be a liquid eyeliner, this could be a red or dark lip, something that you're only going to use here and there. You're allowed to keep that special product for occasions, but you don't want to collect too many because those are just going to sit around for a long time.
Step 3 is keeping an eye on your expiry dates. Especially with natural products, the shelf life might be a little bit shorter than a conventional product. For example, having 3 different natural mascaras might not be a great idea because they can go off a little more quickly than a conventional mascara, and then you'll end up wasting that product anyways.
You also want to do the same when it comes to your skincare products as well. By collecting all of these different lotions and potions, these might go off a little bit sooner than you're used to, so you want to keep it to a minimum.
We want to know what one makeup product you can't live without. Be sure to leave a comment below. We want to know.
What can't you live without?
Oh my gosh, I have to choose one thing.
I can't live without brow product, something to fill my brows in.
Concealer under eye
the
brightness
eyes.
is number 1. I love it.
So step number 4 to creating a minimal makeup kit is choosing products that you can actually use for multiple things. So multi-use products, colors that you can transition from day to nighttime by just using different techniques. So anything that you can use on eyes, lips, and cheeks, or throw it on as a highlighter. Multi-use products are super helpful for creating a minimal kit. So we always find when your skin looks really good and it's really healthy, you can actually get away with wearing a lot less makeup. So we've made a video called Switching to Natural Skincare Made Easy. If you want to check out that video to see how you can switch to natural skincare a lot easier, the link is in the description bar below.
Step number 5 is choosing refillable products. It's really helpful when you choose products that you can take to your local dispensary to refill, like for skincare or body care, and then also choosing products that you can create into a little compact. So your one look in one small compact that creates less waste and keeps your routine really simple.
So if you're feeling really excited about creating a more minimal makeup kit, we personally love our capsule palettes from Elate Cosmetics. If you want to get inspired, visit our website at thegreenbeautycollective.com to check out how you can fill your own capsule palette.
Also, if you want to join a community of women just like you, we have a private Facebook group. It's called the Green Beauty Community, where we share all things natural beauty. We share some exclusive information as well.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you liked this video, please let us know by liking and subscribing to our channel. You can also leave a comment in the description bar below about what you would love to see next.